In this question, shots are fired simultaneously from the top and bottom of a vertical cliff with elevation alpha and beta respectively. They strike an object simultaneously at the same point on the ground. If s is the horizontal distance of the object from the cliff, then you need to find height of the cliff. So when they are fired simultaneously, they hit an object on ground at a distance, horizontal distance s simultaneously, and let h be the height of the tower. As they are striking at same point simultaneously, so their time of flight as well as their horizontal range both are equal. As time of flight, let t be the time of flight, then the horizontal component of velocity of them has to be same, or we can have u cos alpha into t is equal to v cos beta into t, that is the distance horizontal range s. Now within same time, vertical displacement of the particle from bottom is 0, while vertical displacement of particle from top is minus h, where we have assumed height of the tower to be h. So for this we can write h is equal to, or rather minus h is equal to u sine alpha into t minus half gt square, and for the other particle 0 is equal to v sine beta into t minus half gt square. So these are the equations for particle from top and from bottom. So this is our equation 1, this is 2, and this is equation 3. Now from these equations, if we replace the value of t from equation 1 to 2 and 3, here from we can write minus h is equal to u sine alpha, t is nothing but s by u cos alpha minus half g s by u cos alpha square, and from this equation we can write 0 is equal to v sine beta into t is nothing but s by v cos beta minus half g s by v cos beta square. So here from we have u to be cancelled, here v to be cancelled, so we are left with, from this equation we can write s tan beta is equal to half g s square by v square cos square beta. This is one equation, and the other equation which we got from here, minus h is equal to s tan alpha minus half g s by u cos alpha square. Now this half g s by u cos alpha and half g s by v cos beta square, these two quantities are same. So here from we can put this value to be this one, and it is s tan alpha minus s tan beta, or here from we can write h is equal to s into tan beta minus tan alpha. So this is the height of the cliff, that is equal to s into tan beta minus tan alpha.